Hello, techies. So we are in lab 6.5.13 and we are going to create host records. So you work, let's see what we have. You work as the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You have two servers and a DNS server that use static IP addresses. On the 192.168.0.0/24 subnet, you plan to install 3 more servers soon, so you need to create DNS record for these servers on the CompTIA server. So in this lab, your task is to create an IPv4 Active Directory integrated primary reverse lookup zone for subnet 192.168.0.0/24. Now be sure to accept the, okay, let's close this. All right, so let's start up lab. So in case you find this video to be too fast, I apologize for that. You can always pause the video occasionally and work at your own pace. So the trick is to match every move I make, every step I take in this video by pausing the video at will. All right, so let's just wait for the lab to load. So we'll start up immediately. All right, so we are inside the lab. Let's maximize this. And we go into COP server. That's where we'll be doing most of the work. And we'll select CompDC server. So we'll wait for this to load. Okay. So let me maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. Okay. All right. So under tools, we select DNS. And then CompDC. And then reverse lookup. Scroll down, create, let's see. Create an IPv4 Active Directory, integrated primary reverse lookup zone for subnet 192.168.0.0/24. Be sure to accept the default replication and dynamic update setting. All right. So right click, click on new zone, next. All right, so in this area, primary zone is selected, but primary reverse lookup zone for subnet 192.168. Okay, so we click next. So the IP address here is going to be 192.168.0.10. So we click next, next, and finish. Okay, so create a, let's see, create a record and PTR record under CompTIA.local for the following host. So we go to forward lookup zones. New zone. CompTIA.local. Right click on it, scroll down to new host. So let's see for the new host. Alright, so let's see. So here we're going to type in COP server, and IP address is 192.168.0.10. So create associated pointer PTR according to the instruction given, and we add host. Click OK. So add another new host. For this is going to be what else we have? Okay, so it's going to be COP516, and the IP address provided is 192.168.0.12, and okay, that is created. Right click on this and go to new host, and the third one is going to be COP512, and the IP address provided for COP512 is 192.168.0.13. Nope, 13. So make sure you check PTR, then add hosts, click OK. And then we add another host, which is going to be COP-DHCP, and the IP address provided for COP-DHCP is 192.168.0.14. So you click OK, and then COPNet the local, add new host, and the last one is going to be COP web, and IP address 192.168.0.15. Then we check this and we're going to add host. Click OK. And that is all. If you find this video helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel, comment any questions you might have, and I'll do well to reply you on time. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.